How to log in Udemy account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to log in into your Udemy account. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch or open any web browser, suppose Google Chrome. Navigate to search bar at top of your screen and type in udemy.com. Press enter on your keyboard. You will land on the official interface of Udemy where you can find the login button at top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Then you will be navigated to the login section where you have to enter your email, or you can log in with other options such as Google, Facebook and Apple ID. Enter the email and click on continue with email if you wish to do with the email, and enter the password and log into Udemy account. So that's quite simple and easy to log in into Udemy. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.